Kidney health has become a growing concern worldwide, with an increasing number of people experiencing kidney-related issues. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure have seen a significant rise, leading to more individuals requiring dialysis, a procedure that artificially removes waste and excess fluid from the blood. This trend is alarming, as it not only affects the quality of life, but also places a heavy burden on healthcare systems. Poor diet, sedentary lifestyles, and increased prevalence of conditions such as diabetes and hypertension are major contributors to declining kidney health. Amidst this growing health crisis, there is a promising shift towards exploring natural remedies to support kidney function and prevent severe conditions like CKD. Among these remedies, certain fruits have shown remarkable potential in detoxifying kidneys and enhancing their overall health. These fruits, rich in essential vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, can help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve urinary tract health, thereby supporting the kidney's natural detoxification processes. By incorporating these fruits into their diet, individuals can take proactive steps towards maintaining healthy kidneys and potentially reducing the risk of dialysis. In this video, we will delve into the top 3 fruits renowned for their exceptional kidney detoxing properties. These fruits have been celebrated not only for their delicious flavors but also for their powerful health benefits, particularly in supporting kidney health. By highlighting these fruits, we aim to provide you with natural and accessible ways to enhance your kidney function and overall well-being. Each of these fruits comes with strong scientific backing and a wealth of anecdotal evidence that underscores their effectiveness. Researchers have conducted numerous studies demonstrating the positive impact of these fruits on kidney health. From reducing the risk of kidney stones to improving urinary tract health and aiding in the removal of toxins, these fruits have been shown to provide significant benefits. In addition to the scientific research, countless individuals have shared their personal experiences and success stories, attributing their improved kidney health to the regular consumption of these fruits. These combined pieces of evidence make a compelling case for incorporating these fruits into your diet as a natural and effective way to support your kidneys and potentially prevent the need for dialysis. Kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining overall health by filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood, which are then excreted as urine. These bean-shaped organs, located on either side of the spine just below the rib cage, are essential for regulating the body's balance of electrolytes, maintaining proper blood pressure, and ensuring the stability of internal environments by managing the body's acid-base balance. Additionally, kidneys produce hormones that are vital for controlling blood pressure, producing red blood cells, and maintaining strong and healthy bones. However, kidney function can be compromised by several common issues. Chronic conditions such as diabetes and hypertension are leading causes of kidney damage. In diabetes, high blood sugar levels can damage the tiny blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste properly. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, can cause the arteries around the kidneys to narrow, weaken, or harden, thereby reducing blood flow and leading to kidney damage over time. Other factors that can adversely affect kidney function include urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and prolonged use of certain medications that can be toxic to the kidneys. Additionally, unhealthy lifestyle choices such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, and smoking can contribute to the deterioration of kidney health. It is essential to recognize these risks and take proactive measures to protect and maintain kidney function, emphasizing the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding harmful substances. Kidney detoxification refers to the process of cleansing the kidneys by eliminating toxins and waste products that can accumulate over time. This detoxification is essential for maintaining the kidney's ability to filter blood effectively, regulate body fluids, balance electrolytes, and produce hormones necessary for various bodily functions. Without proper detoxification, toxins can build up in the kidneys, leading to impaired function and increased risk of kidney-related diseases such as chronic kidney disease or kidney stone. Certain fruits are particularly effective in aiding the detoxification process due to their high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that support kidney health. These fruits help by flushing out toxins, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall urinary tract health. For instance, some fruits have natural diuretic properties that increase urine production, helping to expel toxins more efficiently. Others are rich in antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and damage. By incorporating these fruits into your diet, you can enhance the natural detoxification processes of your kidneys, supporting their health and preventing potential issues. Now, let's transition into the main content by discussing how dietary choices play a significant role in kidney health. The foods we consume can either support or hinder kidney function. Choosing foods that are rich in nutrients and low in harmful substances is crucial for maintaining healthy kidneys. Among these beneficial dietary choices are specific fruits that have been shown to have powerful detoxifying properties. By understanding and incorporating these fruits into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward better kidney health. Let's begin by exploring the first fruit on our list that has demonstrated remarkable benefits for kidney detoxification: cranberries. Cranberries are small, tart berries that are packed with a variety of nutrients, making them a popular choice for promoting health. They are rich in vitamins C, E, and K, as well as dietary fiber and a range of antioxidants. These nutrients contribute to the overall nutritional profile of cranberries, making them beneficial not just for kidney health, but for general well-being as well. The active compounds in cranberries that are particularly beneficial for kidney health include proanthocyanidins, which are powerful antioxidants that help prevent bacterial adhesion in the urinary tract, and quinic acid, which helps in preventing the formation of kidney stones. Cranberries are especially effective in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can escalate into more serious kidney problems if left untreated. The proanthocyanidins in cranberries inhibit the adhesion of bacteria like E. coli to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. This is crucial because frequent UTIs can lead to chronic kidney disease over time. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of cranberries help to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation, supporting the kidneys in their natural detoxification processes. Scientific evidence strongly supports the benefits of cranberries for kidney health. Numerous studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of cranberries in promoting urinary tract health and preventing infections. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular consumption of cranberry products significantly reduced the incidence of UTIs in women. Another study published in the Journal of Urology highlighted that cranberry juice consumption decreased the likelihood of recurrent urinary tract infections. These findings underscore the role of cranberries as a natural aid in maintaining kidney health and preventing related issues. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be both easy and delicious. You can add fresh or dried cranberries to salads for a tart burst of flavor or blend them into smoothies and juices. Cranberry juice is a popular choice, but it's important to opt for unsweetened varieties to avoid excess sugar intake. Additionally, cranberries can be included in baked goods like muffins or scones for a healthy twist. Here's a simple cranberry-based recipe for you to try. Cranberry smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 banana, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon honey. Optional. Ice cubes. Optional. Instructions: 1. Combine the cranberries, banana, Greek yogurt, and orange juice in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth. Add honey for sweetness if desired. 3. Add ice cubes and blend again for a chilled smoothie. 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy a refreshing, kidney-friendly drink. By including cranberries in your daily diet, you can harness their powerful benefits to support your kidney health and overall well-being. Watermelon is a refreshing and hydrating fruit, well known for its high water content, which makes up about 90% of its weight. This juicy fruit is not only a perfect treat for hot summer days, but also packed with essential nutrients and vitamins that contribute to overall health. Watermelon is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as antioxidants like lycopene and citrulline, an important amino acid. These nutrients make watermelon a powerful addition to a health-conscious diet, particularly for maintaining kidney health. One of the primary benefits of watermelon for kidneys is its high water content, which helps to keep the body hydrated and supports the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products more efficiently. Adequate hydration is crucial for kidney function, as it ensures that the kidneys can effectively filter blood and remove waste through urine. The diuretic properties of watermelon also promote increased urine production, further aiding the detoxification process. Additionally, the antioxidants found in watermelon, particularly lycopene, play a significant role in protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress and damage. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic kidney disease and other health issues, so consuming antioxidant-rich foods like watermelon is beneficial. Citrulline, an amino acid present in watermelon, helps to relax blood vessels and improve circulation, which can enhance kidney function and reduce the risk of high blood pressure, a common cause of kidney damage. Scientific research supports the detoxifying effects of watermelon. Studies have shown that the high water content and diuretic properties of watermelon can help in reducing the concentration of harmful substances in the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. For instance, research published in the journal Food and Nutrition Research highlighted that watermelon consumption improves hydration status and supports renal function. Experts often recommend watermelon as a natural remedy to aid in the prevention of kidney stones and support overall urinary tract health. Incorporating watermelon into your diet is simple and enjoyable. Here are some suggestions for adding this hydrating fruit to your meals. Fresh slices. Enjoy watermelon as fresh slices for a quick and easy snack. Smoothies. Blend watermelon with other fruits like strawberries or mint for a refreshing smoothie. Salads. Add watermelon cubes to salads for a sweet and juicy twist, pairing well with ingredients like feta cheese and cucumber. Watermelon salad recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups cubed watermelon, 1 cup cucumber slices, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, combine the cubed watermelon, cucumber slices, feta cheese, and chopped mint. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 3. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine. 4. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 5. Serve chilled and enjoy a delicious, kidney-friendly dish. By including watermelon in your daily diet, you can take advantage of its hydrating and detoxifying properties to support your kidney health and overall well-being. Lemons are vibrant yellow citrus fruits well known for their tart flavor and high vitamin C content. Each lemon is packed with an impressive amount of vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the immune system, aids in collagen production, and acts as a powerful antioxidant. In addition to vitamin C, lemons are rich in citric acid, a compound that plays a significant role in promoting kidney health. One of the key benefits of lemons for kidneys is their ability to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citric acid in lemons increases the levels of citrate in urine, which is important because citrate binds to calcium, a common component of kidney stones, preventing it from crystallizing and forming stones. This natural process helps to reduce the risk of developing kidney stones and supports overall kidney health. Furthermore, the detoxifying properties of lemons help maintain kidney function by promoting hydration and enhancing the kidney's ability to flush out toxins and waste products. Scientific evidence supports the benefits of lemons for kidney detoxification. Various studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of lemon juice in increasing urinary citrate levels and preventing kidney stone formation. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Urology found that patients who consumed lemon juice regularly had significantly higher urinary citrate levels, reducing their risk of kidney stone recurrence. Experts often recommend lemon water as a natural and effective way to support kidney health and prevent stone formation. Incorporating lemons into your diet is both easy and versatile. Here are some practical tips on using lemons. Lemon water. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water by squeezing the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. This simple drink can help kickstart your metabolism and support kidney detoxification. Dressings. Use lemon juice as a base for salad dressings. Combine it with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and your favorite herbs for a fresh and tangy dressing. Teas. Add a slice of lemon to your tea for an extra boost of vitamin C and a refreshing flavor. Simple lemon-based recipe. Lemon detox drink. Ingredients: juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, 1 cup warm water, a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional. Instructions: 1. In a glass, combine the juice of 1 lemon, apple cider vinegar, and honey. 2. Add warm water and stir well to mix all the ingredients. 3. If desired, add a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra detoxifying kick. 4. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. By incorporating lemons into your daily diet, you can harness their powerful detoxifying properties to support kidney health and prevent the formation of kidney stones, ensuring your kidneys function optimally. Cranberries, watermelon, and lemons each offer unique and powerful benefits for kidney health. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants and proanthocyanins, which help prevent urinary tract infections and support kidney detoxification. Watermelon's high water content and diuretic properties aid in flushing out toxins, while its antioxidants and amino acids protect and enhance kidney function. Lemons, with their high vitamin C content and citric acid, prevent the formation of kidney stones and support the kidney's natural detox processes. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can make a significant difference in maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing kidney-related issues. By regularly consuming cranberries, watermelon, and lemons, you can enhance your body's natural detoxification processes and support overall kidney health. We encourage you to try adding these fruits to your daily routine. Not only are they delicious and nutritious, but they also offer tangible benefits for your kidneys. If you have personal experiences or additional tips on how to use these fruits for kidney health, please share them in the comments below. Your insights can help others on their journey to better health. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. See you in the next video.